Hello buddies, once again welcome to my channel. Thank you very much for being here. Today I'm teaching you how to create a YouTube channel. It's a very simple thing to do, but then please subscribe to my channel to share this joy with me, because today 10th October 2023 is my second year anniversary on my channel. In fact, I'm very happy. Share this happy moment with me by subscribing. And also, I have a video giving 7 tips on how to make it on YouTube. Check the description for the link to that video. If you don't watch it, you have missed out, please. So watch it. So let's go straight to what we are doing today. If you want to create a YouTube channel, you check the top right corner of this video, the logo there. You tap on it like this. After tapping on it, you come here, your channel. Whether you have a YouTube channel or not, it will be written here as your channel. So you go there. This email account, I am having a channel on it. Although I created a channel that I am not using, so that's why it is shown there like this. But if you do not have a channel, this is how it is going to appear. You change the name of the channel to what you want, the handle as well. Then here, picture, that's the profile picture of the channel, to you change it as to which you want. Then after that, you come to create channel, as simple as that. So that's just how you create a YouTube channel. After that, you see the create on the screen. Yeah, if you want to start uploading videos, then you create your videos, then you upload. As simple as that. So check the description of this video to watch how to begin the YouTube journey. In fact, that video is very insightful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Let's meet some other time. Love you.